now it is still raining. As y'all can tell, look at the rain, guys. What's going on, guys? Epic Paul back on your screen. Today, this is a brand new video, so let's get this day started. Okay, guys, so I just noticed something outside. So, yesterday it stormed a little bit, and now it is still raining. As y'all can tell, look at the rain, guys. Hopefully the camera's picking up the rain and clouds, guys. It is still raining out. So, here these past couple days, there probably ain't gonna be any outdoor videos just because it's raining, as y'all can tell. So yeah, but yeah, guys, there probably ain't gonna be any outdoor videos for the past couple days until it gets sunny again. So yeah, guys. Okay, guys, so I am out back, as y'all can tell, and I am just watching the rain come down the sky. As y'all can tell, it's still raining. Guys, this rain ain't never going to stop, as y'all can tell. Rain is falling from the roof right there, as y'all can tell. So yeah, the rain ain't never ever going to stop, guys. So yeah, I just need to talk a little bit. Guys, thank y'all for 425 subscribers. I love y'all very much. It just means so much. I never thought I was gonna make it to 100 subscribers, 200, 300 subscribers, and now 425. Thank y'all very much for all of those individual people out there subscribed to my channel. Thank y'all very much. The clouds. Okay, guys, so this is my music video of Dear Grandpa. Y'all can tell. This is on my projector. Guys, I never seen this on my projector. Hopefully y'all can hear. I made the beat and everything, guys. Go do more things. Have more time. Dear Grandpa. Dear Grandpa. Me writing right there. So yeah, guys. The reason why I'm saying this, because I never saw y'all things on my projector, guys. I think about start reacting to like my songs. That's my favorite clip right there, guys. He does, guys. He loves me. New things. Okay, guys, so that is my song, guys. Yes, guys, Dear Grandpa. Link in the description. If you are new to this channel, link in the description to Dear Grandpa music video. Link in the description. So yeah, guys. Good news, good news, good news. Okay, guys, so I have a name for that fish right there, the white one, guys. I am naming that fish Sam. So guys, so the orange one name is Goldie, the white one is Sam. So yeah, guys, that is the name. So there's still a little bit more to go with this video. Okay, guys, so I am out front, as y'all can tell. There's still a little bit of water right there, and not that much water right there. Rain is, it's sprinkling here and there. So yeah, let me walk out over here, guys. So yeah, this basically includes the video, but there's a little bitty update on the whole. So what they did, they put yellow lines right here, and they put them little yellow flags all the way over there. They put like a red thing right there in the middle of the road, in this area right here, so I could tell. Still leaking water in the stairwell. Then all the way down. So yeah, guys. So this basically includes the video for today. If you like this video, comment, subscribe, leave a like, and share it with your friends. Until next time, peace out. Have a great day.